FreshOut, a.k.a. your money's mine. Okay. GovaRide. There's no kind of lyrics where I overwrite. They've taken over everywhere overnight. Futuristic cabs, you know me, I'll never lie. Cabs they for hiring and they get them for renting. Ambulance cuckoo day in case someone is fainting. Hiring and booking cabs, no be the same thing. Their cabs they advance, they will never keep you waiting. Their mobile app is built for satisfaction and comfort too. Now number one, they no come to or comfort too. They work 24/7 if client don't sort to. Now GovaRide that they use now, me I don't port to. You feel even use their app, book a.k.a. rider. They get different cars, they get Pigeon, they get Spider. Security is guaranteed for passengers and drivers. Simple, safe and sweet, we no get rivals. GovaRide. Simple, safe and sweet, we no get rivals. GovaRide. Simple, safe and sweet, we no get rivals. GovaRide. Simple, safe and sweet, we no get rivals. GovaRide. Simple, safe and sweet, we don't get rivals.
We're living in the future right now, I am not lying. 2022, if you ain't driving then you're riding. If you're rolling, better roll in style with the big boys. Any car you want, even the little ones make big noise. GovaRide got no rivals or opponents. There ain't no competition, we the only one they notice. Book with us, it's easy, cannot make a mess. No more stress, one button, you book your trip with success. Yes, it's simple, safe and sweet, so easy. You'll be riding like I'm riding on the beat. The truck cocks will lift off the limousines at your feet. So affordable for everyone that use it on repeat. God forbid, if you ever get in an emergency, GovaRide will get you where you need to go with urgency. A lifesaver, yeah, the future maker. G to the O to the VA, then no one greater. What?
GovaRide. Simple, safe and sweet, we don't get rivals. GovaRide. Simple, safe and sweet, we don't get rivals. GovaRide. Simple, safe and sweet, we don't get rivals. GovaRide. Simple, safe and sweet, we don't get rivals.
Book a taxi now.
GovaRide. Simple, safe, and sweet.